Hi, how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. Okay, we got a lot going on here. If you have not seen the past few videos, I'll catch you up on my situation with this hair. I had it all black, and then this front section was blue, and I decided I wanted the whole front lightened, so I lightened it, and it didn't get very light, so I did it red. And I have just bleached it off camera, and this is what I'm working with at the moment. It's definitely lighter than it was. It's got me really excited to have it. I really like the vibe of this all being really light like this, and then this being dark. That's like a vibe. I'm like accidentally a ginger. It's giving Misty from Pokemon. Also, as you can see, there's work being done on the background. Oh my god, I cannot wait. I'm so excited. New floors. My husband's been doing a lot of hard work on them. Closet doors are down, and we got the boards yesterday from Lowe's to do shelves there. So there will be, okay, I don't think you can see it from here. You can see that little tiny weird thing right there. It's like an old sewer thing, but it's been caulked up, and it was underneath the carpet. We did not know it was there. We're gonna put a bottom shelf on the floor, and then shelves going up. And he got me some LED lighting to put in there. It's gonna look so good. I also got a little Christmas tree because it's November and I'm one of those people. So yeah, new upgrades to the room. That's not why we're here. We're here to watch me try to fix my hair after destroying it. I'm really vibing with the placement of this. Also, I cut my bangs, and as soon as I cut them, regretted it immediately. But it's been a good 3 weeks, so they've grown out a lot. Because I think I cut them too short, and that's why I hate them. Because right now, I vibe. But anyway, I need to chill out. When I took the red out, it of course left it super warm toned, except for where it was blue right here. I think I want to do pink. I order colors, and I keep them back in that room for a rainy day. And today, it's pouring. And one of the colors I ordered is this one. It reminded me of Mira from Kpop Demon Hunters, and that's the only reason I ordered it. This is Adore Pink Blush. It smells really good. I can't smell very good. I can't think of a smell to compare this to, but other than it smells good. Here's what it looks like inside the jar. But I was thinking that if I did pink, that would cover this up until I can have another session to lighten it. We've still got a bunch of different levels going on. Oh my god, I didn't realize how different the front still is. It's like fire and ice up in here. I don't know. If I put this pink on, is it gonna look really bad? Am I gonna regret it? Plus also there's where that red was, there's some pink banding right here. You know what? Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Got my bowl. And the Adore colors are straight liquid. Watch. This looks like gel. This looks like fake blood. Look at that. That is not the consistency I was expecting. I just did it around in there. I did bring out a drop of green to put in it, just a little drop to neutralize the pink, because I don't want it to be blazing pink. All right, it's me again. Here is the color. I ended up putting some conditioner in it to make the consistency a little bit easier to work with, and I put when I say a drop, a very small little drop of pulverized absinthe in it to tone the pinkness down. But nothing in this world could have prepared me for how the consistency of this color was. It literally looks like food coloring, and I just know when I'm going to change it next time, I'm going to have a very hard time getting this out. I just know it. I just know it. This is going to be my hair probably till 2034, but it's okay. It's fine. Oh my god, this is Mira. I cannot even. I thought I was going to hate this, and I have undiagnosed ADHD. I'm just all over the place. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, a vibe. Alright guys, welcome to the voiceover applying color part of the video. So when it was processing, I did not read the packaging, and it actually says to process it with heat for up to 15 minutes, and I did not realize that. So I just want to put that in there. I do talk about it at the end, but it's I have the package here. It says shining semi-permanent color, and for the description it says for a vibrant shining color that gives hair a beautiful sensual feel and color that really lasts. So I'm wondering if the shining has something to do with processing it under heat. I don't know. I'm still wondering about that. But I just wanted to talk about the processing under heat because I did not realize. But yeah. I also wanted to note it didn't really stain too bad or anything. I talked about that because I wasn't sure if it would, but it did not, and it doesn't bleed really bad either. I looked up and I saw my card was full, so I'm not sure how much of that was recorded, but here's the color one. I'm super excited about this. I don't know how bad it's going to stain my forehead either, but also I started like doing my colors without my plugs in because I keep ruining pairs of plugs by having them in. But yeah. Someone also asked me how long I let colors sit, and I forgot to say that in my last video. I say it in some of them, but usually what I do is I will clip it up, put a shower cap over it, and let it sit for at least an hour. Sometimes I do more just to let that color really soak in. I think I'm gonna go upstairs and wash my makeup brushes, so I don't know, I'll have it on for however long that takes. Next time you see me, the color will be rinsed and my hair will be styled, my makeup will be done, and yeah, so let's go to that. Alright guys, here is the color. I just did a chatty get ready with me, and I was pointing out how uneven this is. My 2-month-old, I'm right-handed, so I typically hold him on this side, and he's a hair grabber, and ignore that. I will cut it. I haven't flat ironed my hair in a really long time, so I didn't realize it was that bad. It's not all the same color on the front quite yet, but we're getting a lot closer. Nature is healing. It's still just a little bit more warm toned on this side than this side. It's a very, very good Mira pink though, I feel. Because I feel like her pink, you can tell it's pink, but I feel like it's a very like orchid pink, if that makes sense. And I also feel like it's pretty like spot on. I hope the lighting is doing it justice. I feel like it is. I just flat ironed it and my hair is still wavy right here. I have the worst time trying to get my hair straight. That's why I don't ever wear it straight. I even blow dried it last night. Fit check from the napalm era. I'm just really, really happy with this actually. One step closer to getting it to like a silvery in the front. I think maybe in the future I might take a little section right here and add it to the black, because I don't know, I might have it too, but when you look at me like head on, like it makes it look like my hair is all one color. I don't know. I don't remember if I talked about the price or how long I left the color sit on. So I got it off of Amazon, and this is a 4-ounce thing. I believe it was around $7. I'll put the price that I paid for it up on the screen. And the time that I let it sit on, I usually like to put it on and let it sit for about an hour or more. That's just me. I feel like it gets it soaked into the hair really good. And no matter what things say. Oh wow, this one actually says to process with heat for up to 15 minutes. I didn't read that. Maybe that's why it was the consistency that is. I mean, it still took in my hair. Process with heat. Huh. I'm gonna have to get some more Adore shades because I'm out of this now. I'm gonna have to get some more Adore shades and see. I had a shower cap on while it was processing, so that heat from my like scalp. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and I guess I'll see you next one. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.